Welcome to Bizzflo Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a simple package in Bizzflo. Let's get started. Starting from the dashboard, head over to the options on the left and hover over the Setup/Manage tab. From here, click on Packages from the drop-down. Simple packages are packages that have a quantity larger than one for one item or service, while complex packages have multiple items and services with several quantities. Once you've arrived at the Package List tab, you can create a package by clicking on the Add Package button. A pop-up will appear and you can choose to copy from an existing package or add a new package. Then, click Next. First, select the type of package. If there are no options from the drop-down you would like to choose from already, you can create a new package type by selecting on Add New. Then you can fill out the package type name beside it. Then click Save. Or you can choose from an existing package type. Fill out the status information from the drop-down to Do Not Publish, Active, or Inactive. You would choose the Do Not Publish status when you are in the process of adding a new package but not ready to use it or sell it. Once you are ready, you can change the status to Active. Insert the name of the package, such as Laser Facial 10-pack. Choose whether the display availability online should be on or off to make it available for online sale. Then, choose whether you want to allow family member registration for this package to be on or off. For example, if you want to allow the customer to buy a package for his or her family members, or if they can buy it just for themselves. Going down to Contract Details. Here you can determine the contract duration and its expiration. This determines how long the customer is able to use the items in the package before it expires. For this example, we can input a 1-year contract. So, the customer has 1 year to use all of the items in this package, though you will have the discretion at a customer level to extend the contract if and when needed. This next section, called Sharing, allows the package to be shared with other family members if you check the box beside it. Below, you can choose to write an optional description, which will be displayed to the customer. Next, you can choose which locations of your business you want to allow this package to be used at. To select all, click on the Select All button, or you can choose a specific location from the drop-down. You can associate staff with the package as well by selecting them from the drop-down. If not, simply leave it as the Select Staff option. Next, the Redeem package with the Purchase option allows the customer to redeem the package right away once they purchase the package. This means they are purchasing the services and items that go along with the package immediately. Once you are done filling out the required information, click on Save and Next. This next section is the most important aspect of a package that needs to be added: package items. It is almost always required with few exceptions. To add items, click on the Add Items button. A pop-up will appear and you can select the item that is associated with the package. In this instance, we will select Advanced Facial with Laser. A new pop-up will appear and you can fill out the quantity of this service you would like to give the customer. Then, click on Save. To make sure that this package can be redeemed, the appointment associated with this package must match. If not, this package will not be available for use. So, it is essential that the service you are associating with the package is the service that the appointment is created for. Once you are done, click on Save and Next. In this next screen, you can fill out the price information for the package. Under Pricing Requirement, you can choose to skip this step so no payment is required and pricing will not be displayed. You can enable credit card payments to be required for upfront bookings. You can choose whether payment or credit cards are not required for booking, but the price will be displayed for booking, or you can choose to not display the pricing to the customer. The second option is what you will be using 99% of the time. Next, you will input the package price amount as an optional discounted price, or its original price for the quantity you chose. Then select the tax status and a tax class. If the service is taxable, then the package is taxable. If not, leave the default as such. Under payment options, you can select if the customer should pay in full, installments, or have an option. If you want to allow the customer to pay on an installment plan, you can select this option and fill out the information, such as its total amount, number, frequency, and due date. Once its information is filled out, you can view the installment information using Show Plan. Typically, packages are made so that the customer does not have to pay for future services. They are buying a package up front for a discounted price, so installment plans should not typically be used. Click on Save and Next to continue. If there are any forms that the customer needs to complete when purchasing this package, you can add forms by clicking on the Add Form button. If not, click on Save and Next to continue. If there are any agreements that the customer needs to complete when purchasing this package, you can add agreements by clicking on the Add Agreement button. If not, click on Save and Next to continue. The last step is to fill out what tags need to be added or removed. To do so, click on Add New Tag. Once you are done, click on Submit. From here, you can view the package with its information, and it is now ready for use. This completes a tutorial on how to create simple packages in Bizzflo. Thank you for watching.